Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Spark, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost controls. So for your front here, you're going to have either this illuminated or this. So this one will have it blow up on the windshield here as well as your feet, and then this lower one blows just on the windshield. And when you have the front activated, it's all controlled now with your fan speed as well as your temperature, whether you want it to blow cold or hot. Usually you want it hot if you're trying to defrost, so it'll melt any ice that's building up. And even if you have it all the way hot, you still might have this AC turned on, just because the AC can pull moisture out of the air, which will keep it from fogging up. And when you're finished with this, you can either just turn the fan all the way off or just flip this to a different setting so that these are no longer activated. And then for your rear, to wait for that to work, we'll just push this like a button, and when this is lit up, it's now activated your rear. So if you're able to see in the video, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism, so as this is turned on, those will heat up and start working to melt any ice that might be building up. And when you're finished with the rear, you can just push this again to turn it off. And if you're having any issues with this system, like say this isn't lighting up at all, first I'd probably check fuses, those sorts of things. Maybe a burnt fuse is making this inoperable. You also could take your code reader to your OBD2 port and read, see if there's maybe an indication of an issue, something that needs repaired or replaced. Also, in a much more rare situation, maybe there's something behind this dash plastic that's loose, that's maybe these controls aren't connected to the circuit board all the way. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.